Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price, I have a very important update for all Bitcoin Ethereum holders and traders, and actually it includes a specific warning, but I have very good news for you if you are holding Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. So make sure you watch this video until the very end, where I'm going to drop to you my specific price targets, my trades, but more importantly, what I would be doing right now if I would be standing on the sidelines trading wise. So let me go here straight into the charts and show you what I'm looking out for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I can tell you, I will show you my Ethereum trade. It might catch you by surprise, so stick here with me until the very end. Quick shout out, I'm here with Mo also and with Mendel in the mobile studio, but now let's get to business, guys. Let's get to business, as this famous DJ would say. I'm zooming in here. We are here on the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin, and as you can see, we already completed here perfectly the cup, and we completed the handle. We broke out towards the upside exactly as I predicted. But right now, this yellow line here is still the neckline, and Bitcoin is struggling to actually break above on the daily, and it is struggling to break above on the 4-hourly. We got one breakout, but we didn't confirm it yet. This is why I'm always saying let's wait for the breakout. Wait until the end. The good news I have to share with you will certainly blow your mind. The question right now is, are we going to break out or not? Well, let me zoom in a little bit. What we can see here on the wicks on the downside on the 4-hourly candles is that maybe something like an ascending triangle is evolving here, with ascending support and horizontal resistance, which drives, of course, the probability higher for a breakout towards the upside here, and eventually the confirmation of the breakout from this cup and handle pattern, which is right now overdue for Bitcoin. If we are breaking out and closing a 4-hourly candle above, then I can tell you guys, the next price target would be not only the previous all-time high here, not only the $61,800 levels. No, what I'm talking about is the $68,000 levels, which is, as I already told you, in alignment with the AB equals CD move, and also in exact US dollar amount perfect alignment with the Fibonacci golden ratio. This is what I'm looking out for right now. However, there is one small warning sign I want to give out to you. Just quickly, guys, let me go back. I messed it up here. Perfect. I'm going back to the daily candles. One small warning sign, and I'm not saying that I'm bearish here. I will show you my trades later on. Just wait a second. What you can see here, if Bitcoin will fail to break towards the all-time high, this would be an M pattern here. And an M pattern is, of course, extremely bearish. The price target would be sub $40,000, right? I'm not saying that this is going to happen. Why am I saying that? And bear you with me until the very end. The Ethereum news, they couldn't be more explosive, I have to say. And why am I saying that I don't think that this bearish scenario is coming into place? First of all, we are consolidating among resistance. We are knocking on this door more often than before, and the more often we are retesting the resistance, the more likely it is to be broken. Trading one-on-one. And then on the other side, look at Ethereum. A few months ago, for everyone who was around there, some of you guys are new in this market, Ethereum was a leading indicator for Bitcoin. So Ethereum was breaking resistance before Bitcoin was breaking resistance. Whenever Ethereum was breaking a psychological resistance or a technical resistance, Bitcoin was coming afterwards doing the same. But then, for a couple of weeks now, this changed. Yesterday, Ethereum broke the all-time high once again. The question right now is, will Ethereum serve as a leading indicator for Bitcoin once again? And if so, I personally think we are going to break the all-time high much sooner than actually expected. Maybe there will be another drawdown, maybe there will be another setback, but this ascending triangle I actually mentioned earlier could be an indication for that actually happening. Let's wait and see what is happening on that front. I want to show you the trades, as I already promised you, but first of all, I wanted to talk about Ethereum, because there is actually something evolving in the Ethereum charts, which I just feel obligated to talk about. So you remember yesterday, I uploaded the video with DaVinci J15. Basically, like, this is why you are pressing the bell button next to the subscription button. I published that Ethereum is going to, with DaVinci, of course, big shout out to my friend here. I hope I'm seeing him tonight for dinner. He visited me here in Dubai right now. We published that video like 5 minutes before Ethereum broke the all-time high. That was an amazing call of DaVinci and mine, and as you can see here, Ethereum got some follow through. Of course, if you are subscribed to the MMCrypto Twitter channel as well, here you can see it. Ethereum is breaking out as expected. I posted that at the levels of 1,900. I gave you this trading signal here. I jumped into a trade right now exactly as I announced it there, and well, everyone who did right now, congratulations to you. You are in significant profits right now. So the only question is, what is the price target for that? Well, we have the same confluence areas here like for Bitcoin, and if I'm just taking this year as an example, the management move price target of the ascending triangle here, which I was calling for ages now to break out, is approximately slightly below the 2,600 US dollar levels. So now the question is, Chris, wait a second, now the question is, Chris, how are you trading that? Are you actually closing your trades because there is this bearish scenario on the horizon? Well, this answer might surprise you. Let me go over to the Phemex trade and the BitMEX trade, Bybit trade. So this here is the Bybit trade where I'm having my Ethereum trade open. As you can see, it is a comparably low trade. Of course, it's a lot of money. I don't want to say that, but compared to my other trades, it's very low volume. On the bottom middle side here, you can see 330,000 US dollars in contract size, and right now 150% in profits, approximately 22,000 US dollars in profit on that specific trade. I'm keeping the Ethereum trade open, but look at this. This is the real deal. So here you can see on the top left side, you can see my Phemex trade, $2.7 million in a profit. And it is for the reason that I increased the contract size to 10 million US dollars. And why did I do so? Well, because we are seeing actually crazy things. We see Bitcoin actually consolidating among the all-time high, consolidating among resistance in that ascending triangle, and we see actually Ethereum once again leading the way here, breaking the all-time high, potentially before Bitcoin is doing so. If things are changing, I was telling you that warning with the M pattern, I will update you, I will be here. This is why you scroll down, you also press the subscription button, and remember, press the bell to get these notifications in the moment I am actually posting them. Also, I wanted to remind you, if you want to be trading, whether it's on Bybit or Phemex, I'm personally trading more on Bybit, but I'm also trading on Phemex. My Bitcoin trade is over on Phemex. I have down below the highest bonuses you can get over on YouTube. You just go down to the pinned comment and you will find this link. It looks like this. It's the first comment in the comment section. Also in the video description you will find it. As you can see, it has actually $700 in free bonus. If you click the links down below, whether it's Bybit or Phemex, put in your email address or your password, you get an account within 10 seconds or so. After your initial deposit, you get $700 for free. You can use that bonus, $700, for example, at a 20x leverage. If you use only the bonus, this is 14,000 US dollar trade for free, and you can withdraw the profits from this free trade as well. Just make sure that you are an experienced trader and that you are getting this bonus after your initial deposit. Thank you so much for watching until the very end, guys. I want to know what you think about that. I'm here in beautiful Dubai in our tour bus in the YouTube studio, and I really enjoy to talk to you guys whenever it's important, wherever I am, whenever I am. If you want more of these videos on the side, and so of course give me this feedback on the algorithm. And with that being said, we will see you very soon in the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.